Cowboy baby. Hey guys, sorry, Anna made me do it because we all got our hats on. The sun is just blistering hot, but we got a little shade over our potato bed, and it's time for our first harvest of the year. As you remember from our other videos, we harvest 3 times a year in our potatoes. We have a really long growing season, so we're starting on our second crop. I feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. Filled up a little bit. I found tons of purple potatoes. Look how good they look. Oh, there's some fingerlings. Some little red ones over here in the corner. Yeah.
I'm finding 5 potatoes over here too.
You are.
I just found one. You see that big? You see that big one in there?
Yes, I
That
see the
big
big
one
one.
right here. This one is mine. What's over here by me?
Ooh.
There's big ones, aren't there? They're hard to dig up. Oh, look at this one.
Good grief.
There's so many.
I just need to go through here with a potato core, loosen this up, and then we can all just kind of dig through the loose.
Daddy, this is really cool. I know.
Yeah.
Just make a little pile with the dirt. Daddy, just make a little video pile.
Is that right?
Wow, this is the first year we really got big purple potatoes.
Yes.
Normally they're so little.
I found a big purple one over here.
You did.
Yeah.
I saw you.
All right, let me. We got tired of using the potato fork, and we just kind of. They just kind of crawled in the bed and picking up potatoes. And you see they're both
We
very
saw a big
lizard.
lizard.
I know.
It weigh an egg.
I know they saw it. But this is what we got so far. It's looking pretty good. They would be barefooted all the time if you'd let them. Just love finding those in your bed. I kind of went through with the potato fork. The hand seems to just kind of be the best way, but I kind of broke it up, and now they're just laying across the ground here. We're behind us and checking, finding tons of them after me and Anna's been through it, so leave it to Mama to find what we left behind. We're finding them. Find them all through. She just goes right behind. I just went through that area.
He goes shallow and cheats.
Alright, let me give you all a little heads up on the horticulture bed. Sorry, mosquito was after me. My wife warned me about this, that not tilling would give a layer of compacted dirt, and that's exactly what it did underneath this loose dirt I have piled up. True, this is all excellent dirt up here, but right underneath where the potatoes really want to stretch and grow is really compacted. So I'm taking this little hand tiller and breaking it up the best I can. Alright, I got the bed all tilled up. And it's ready to replant. Dirt is still looking really good. These are what I got to replant in there. They've been sprouting for, I don't know, 6-8 months. So that's how long a potato will sprout. So we'll just get these in there, and I'm going to put some sweet potatoes up front. I need some more room for some sweet potatoes, and then we should be good to go. Try to beat this rain that's coming in. Potatoes in. I'm just going to cover them up real quick and run and go eat the sweet potatoes. Remember the sweet potato cuttings that we took? I'll link the video right above, but oops, I let them stay in there just a little too long. Alright, got them planted in at the front half of my potato bed. I'll take the potatoes in the house real quick before we get caught in rain, and I'll show you our...
Okie dokie. So we're in from harvesting our potatoes, our spring potatoes. We've tilled the bed and got ready to plant our summer potatoes. We've also rooted some of our...
They look like when they're watered.
We've also
Daddy, look.
rooted some of our
Daddy, look.
sweet potatoes from the springtime. So we'll be planting them also. And I wanted to let you guys know that if any of you would like to see us do certain things on the homestead, or, you know, y'all have any kind of video ideas or opinions, or, you know, all that kind of sort of thing, just drop us a line, leave us a comment, and let us know. We would really be excited to get some feedback from y'all and some ideas. It would be awesome. If y'all haven't subscribed to our channel, and this is your first time, please like, comment, and subscribe. Ani Ove Ota means I love you in Hebrew. Bye, YouTube friends.
Bye, YouTube fans.
Living the way you meant for me to live is what I strive to do every day. As I live off the land, lead me at your pace. For you, Lord, I'll go for great living. Help me to feed all the hungry. Use me, Lord, to ease their misery. From all this worldly pain and captivity, for you, Lord, I'll go for great living. I feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go for great